Hey everybody, today I wanted to give you a step-by-step blueprint on how to make money online in 2021 and 2022 with no money. That's right, no Facebook ads, no Google ads, no YouTube ads. I'm going to tell you not even to worry about buying website hosting for like $3 a year or whatever it is. Because today is all about building an online income that can turn into a full-time business from a completely empty wallet. Look, I know how difficult it can be when you're just getting started. There are a lot of gurus out there that talk about Facebook ads, YouTube ads, solo ads, now TikTok and Pinterest. And guess what? They're all great ways to build your email list and make sales. In fact, I teach most of them. But today I'm going to teach you a method to make money online that doesn't require spending money on advertising. You don't need to have a website. Heck, with this method, you don't even need to have your own product to promote. So if you're ready to learn how to make money online without any of these things and without spending any money on advertising, then you're going to love today's training. First, let's talk about the method. The number one way for a beginner to make money online is to get something I teach called affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, instead of creating your own product, you simply need to send other people to that product and you'll earn a commission every time someone makes a sale. With affiliate marketing, the best methods to make money online, and it's one of the longest lasting. Again, the great thing about affiliate marketing is because you're sending traffic to someone else's product, you don't have to deal with the support or customer service. You don't have to deal with returns, and you don't even have to worry about shipping because all of that is handled for you by the company you're sending the customers to. But you're still getting a cut of every single sale. Now let's talk about products. There are a lot of products to choose from, whether it's ClickBank or JVZoo or any other affiliate network. This is what I call the traditional way of doing affiliate marketing. But there's something I want you to think about. Instead of simply finding products to promote as an affiliate, I want you to start looking for companies that you can partner with. These are companies that will sell a wide range of products from low ticket to high ticket, and you can earn a commission on anything that a customer of yours purchases, meaning you can promote a free book or a $7 offer and bring a customer in. But if that customer goes on to purchase a $3,000 course, you still get a cut of that. And that's the difference between finding just a run-of-the-mill affiliate program and actually finding a partner. Now, there are a few companies that actually do this. ClickFunnels is one of them, and they are really a favorite of mine. I know marketers who have generated millions of dollars in revenue just by partnering with ClickFunnels and promoting their incredible products. Another company that does this is Morrison Publishing. The founder, Anthony Morrison, actually allows people to partner with his entire company. So every time you bring a customer into this business, you will earn a commission on everything that customer buys for life. Okay, so when it comes to earning a full-time living online without a website or paying for advertising, we've talked about how affiliate marketing is the best method, no matter if you're an advanced marketer or a complete beginner. We've talked about how you should be finding companies with a wide variety of products to partner with and not just become an affiliate of one or two products you randomly find online. Now we're going to talk about how to generate traffic for these offers for free. The platform I recommend to generate free traffic through is Facebook. Facebook, in my opinion, is still the number one way to find targeted, highly engaged customers and bring them to your ecosystem. Now, there are a few ways that you can find people through Facebook for free. You can start your own group and have people organically join it. If you don't want to make your own group, you can go into groups within your niche, answer questions people might have, and then link to your offer. Or you can even friend request people interested in your niche and start posting about it on your wall. But my absolute favorite method is still using good old-fashioned fan pages. Here's why. All of these other methods are fine, but if you're not careful, they can come across like spam. Fan pages are the farthest thing from spam because people actually request to see your content. Let me give you an example of why fan pages can be so powerful. Let's say that you like vegan meals. How do you think we might be able to find vegan meals every week? Well, you could find a handful of Facebook fan pages, you could follow them, and then get their content posted on your feed every day. So if I want to see them, I request to see them. Some of these pages have hundreds of thousands of followers, and it didn't cost them a penny to grow. So let's recap, because I know we've covered a lot today, and I want to make sure you understand how to make money online, even if you're just getting started and you don't have a lot of money to invest. Number one, use affiliate marketing so you don't need to create your own product or even build a website of your own. Find companies you can partner with instead of just one-off products so you can earn money over the lifetime of your customer rather than just the initial purchase. Third, you find free traffic on Facebook through groups, posting organically on your own page, or my personal favorite method, fan pages. And if you're interested in finding a company to partner with, you couldn't do much better than my favorite program, the program that's taught me what I know, and that's Partner with Anthony. When you partner with Anthony, you'll be plugging yourself into his entire $100 million business and earning a commission off of not just one or two products, but his entire database of courses, software, and programs. The program will even help you promote some of my favorite offers to multiply your monthly income. To get started, immediately click on the link below this video and join what I truly believe is to be the best way to start making money online, no matter where you are in the online journey. If you've come this far and watched this video or any other videos on affiliate marketing, what are you waiting for? Now's the best time to take action and take control of your future, no matter your current skill level or financial situation. So go ahead, click on the link below to get started. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.